हो जो स्विमींग इव्हेंट आसा तो आमच्या सडा भागात हे आमचे स्विमींग पुलाचेर जावपाचो आसा आनी हे डेट जी आसा ती 28 आनी 29 जून हे 2 दिसांक लागून हो इव्हेंट जातलो आनी हेज्या लागून आमचे गव्हर्मेंट सायडीकसून तांकां पूर्ण पाठिंबा दिल्लो आसा स्पेशली फ्रॉम द स्पोर्ट्स एंड यूथ अफेर्साचे डिरेक्टर ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स एंड यूथ अफेर्स त्याच प्रमाणे आमचे ऑल गोवा स्विमींग एसोसिएशन जेजो चेअरमॅन आसा बाब दिगंबर कामत यांचो आमकां तेंको आसा फिट फॉर लायफाक लागून आनी तेंच्या गायडन्साच्या अंडर हो हांगा इव्हेंट जातलो हो इव्हेंटाक इट वील बी प्रेजेंटेड बाय मोर देन अराउंड 300 swimmers will be coming across Goa and from other states also, for example from Karnataka, Maharashtra and other parts of the states. So it's a big event and we have got this opportunity at this swimming pool. Kirak tumka khabar asa, we have a beautiful swimming pool of international level, but where it was not been utilized much. But the initiative taken by Joe and Manika, they will have this program because this is their third event. They had done the first event at KPM, second was in Ponda, and this year they are having it in MORMUGAO. So it is a big thing and big day for the people of MORMUGAO. आणि हेज्या लागून आमी सगळ्यांक इनवॉल्व करपाक लागून आमी एक प्रयत्न केलेलो आसा आमचे सिनियर सिटीजन जावं महिला जावं आनी स्पेशली द स्टुडंट्स स्कुलाची जी स्टुडंट्स आसा तांकां कित्याक जेन्ना एक कॉम्पिटिशन पळयतले खंय तरी तांकां तेच्या भितरसून एक प्रेरणा येतली आनी तेच्या लागून आमी प्रिंसिपलान सुद्दां स्कुलाच्या एक लेटर केलेलें आसा रिक्वेस्टिंग देम टू ते स्टुडंट्सांक हांगा पळोवपाक लागून धाडचे म्हूण हो इव्हेंट.
Swimmer, it is very critical and crucial to look after their nutrition, and that is where my role comes in. This is the first time where we are having an event where all the meals that we are offering for the swimmers and the parents are prepared in-house. Nothing in the food is preserved that we've used. Everything is cooked by our own cook who we have. This is not only going to help the swimmers in enhancing their performance, but also spread awareness amongst the parents. You know, what is the right food to give to their kids. Most of the time when events like these happen, mothers struggle to pack meals and take for their kids, take for athletes. But this time we are ensuring that is taken care of and everything is being served here itself. So this is one step that we've taken from our side to ensure that the level of performance goes up, because as you know that this is their machine, their body is their machine, and only if it is fueled well can they perform well in the event.
I want to see that why Goa cannot produce international level swimmers when small countries like Jamaica, Trinidad, Tobago, where people like Usain Bolt and all have come, they have dominated the world. Why can't we Goans dominate the world? So this is a small step in that direction. And as I said earlier, it is not only about producing world champions. We want to have a healthy community. We want to have a fit community. We also want to make sure that we do not have issues where we are hearing our drowning cases. Unfortunately, a lot of that doesn't get reported. I just want to give you one fact. Last report that came was 2022. As per that, more than 38,000 people were reported dead due to drowning, which is approximately over 100 per day. Now, we don't really give a thought till somebody who we know or within our family drowns, but we should take it forward, and I'm really grateful to Mr. Digambar Kamath, who is also the executive committee member of World Aquatics.